What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to a brand new video with Tiege Hanley. My name is Dominic Welton, for those who don't know, and today we are going to be talking about the correct way to shave. Because believe it or not, although most guys shave, not every guy knows how to correctly get the perfect shave. So we're going to break it down today in today's video, how you can get the cleanest shave possible. Let's get into it. So when it comes to shaving, the first thing you want to do is follow the grains. Essentially what this means is your hair on your face grows in a certain direction. The best way to figure out which direction it grows is to rub your fingers like this along it, and wherever you feel the most friction is where your hair is growing against. So when I bring my hands down like this, there's no friction. Now the hair on some people's face may grow to the side, it may grow up a little bit, and sometimes it's even different on opposite sides of the face. So the first thing to do is figure out where that grain is. This is going to help you avoid redness and irritation. And in addition to that, when it comes to shaving too, I just want to give you a little pointer. When you eventually do shave, in order to avoid redness and irritation as well, don't shave in the exact same spot a few times. All you should need is one clean swipe and you're good to go. So the first thing when it comes to prep that you want to do is you really want to cleanse your face. I personally use Tiege Hanley's Level 1 skincare system just for my skincare routine, but it ends up working perfectly for my shaving routine as well. What I'll do is I'll turn on the water, I'll make sure I get it to a lukewarm temperature, then I'll use Tiege Hanley's cleanser, I will wash my face, get off all the dirt and grime, and this is also a perfect way to open up my pores. The next thing I do is I use Tiege Hanley's scrub. I exfoliate twice a week, so when I'm shaving, usually every other day, I'll make sure about 2 times out of the week that I shave, I will use that scrub to get all the dead skin cells off, all the nasty grime. That way, when I do start shaving, it is as smooth as possible and the surface I'm prepping is ready for go. After that, you can go ahead and apply either your shaving oil or shaving cream, and what that does is it loosens the hair follicles, so when you actually start shaving, there's less tugging and less irritation. When it comes to my razor, I personally use a single blade razor. I found there's a little less tugging, and when it's time to use it, I'll make sure I run it under hot water, make sure that blade is always clean before you use it and after you use it, and I will gently and slowly start going in the direction that my hair grows. You want to make sure after every shave that you've rinsed it in water, you get all the shaving cream and the hair off so the blades are unclogged, and then you just repeat for really as much hair as you have on your face. I know for myself, when I first started shaving, I didn't pay any attention to the direction my hair was growing, so I would shave down on the sides, and then when it came to my neck, I would shave up, and I was left with a ton of ingrown hairs, redness, like little boils, and that's the last thing you want, especially if you're shaving your face to go to a job interview, a date, or even just on the day-to-day basis going out, or even if you're just staying at home. The last thing you want to do is look in the mirror and see razor burn and think, damn, that could have been avoided. This is so important because shaving your face can really dry out your skin. So I will use my Tiege Hanley moisturizer. I use the AM during the day. It has SPF 20 in it. So if I'm going out, I'm protected from the skin. Or if I'm shaving at night, I will just grab the PM and moisturize my face and my neck so my skin stays healthy and radiant after every shave. The longer they get, unfortunately, the more the hairs might tug and get in between your acne, especially if you have any open pimples. The shorter the hairs are, the easier they are to shave and the smoother your face is gonna be when you go through that process. So if you're dealing with acne, again, make sure you're very gentle when you shave your face. You're washing it before, you're using a shaving cream to loosen those hair follicles so there's no irritation, and you're following it up with a moisturizer to make sure that your skin is protected. Because if you're like me and you use your skincare products with your shaving routine, you're actually knocking out skincare and shaving at the exact same time. Typically recommended that guys with really sensitive skin should shower and then shave after. However, if you're somebody that doesn't really deal with sensitive skin or irritation, sometimes it's easier to just shave while you're in the shower and save time. For myself, I've personally just bought a little shower mirror off Amazon, hang it in the shower while I'm in there. I get my whole shaving and skincare routine done and I save time. But again, it comes down to the individual and what works best for you. The last thing I want to talk about how to avoid when it comes to shaving is something that so many guys struggle with, and that's razor bumps. Razor bumps are essentially ingrown hairs. So when you shave and you don't go with the grain, you go against the grain, you typically get these little curly hairs that pop back up and twist, which cause a lot of inflammation and irritation. If you're currently struggling with that, the best thing to do is just let it grow, let your body heal. And then when it comes to preventing, you want to cover every step we've covered in this video to make sure you're taking all the preventative measures to have the healthiest, smoothest shave while preventing irritation, razor burns, and scars. And again, the best way to prevent this is to make sure you're washing your face, you're moisturizing, you're getting a clean, healthy, smooth shave with a blade that is not dull, it's run under hot water, you're using the right shaving cream, and you're putting into practice these healthy habits for your shaving routine daily. Shave with the grain, not against it. And with that, I'm telling you guys, you're not gonna see irritation, you're not gonna see inflammation, you're just gonna see a smooth, sexy face. And that's all anybody wants. With that, you guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video on how to get the best shave. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more videos from Tiege Hanley, you can click right here. And if you want to learn a little bit more about their acne and skincare systems, you can click over here. With that, I'm Dominic Welton. I will see you guys later for the next video. Bye-bye.